Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your laptop and signing in. This saves you time later. First, verify virtualization is enabled in BIOS, and you have at least 4 GB RAM and 20 GB free. These resources let the Play Store run smoothly. Next, decide whether to enable the native Play Store on a Chromebook or install an emulator on Windows or Mac. Once decided, open System Settings to enable Android apps or download the emulator installer, and then launch it. Now you install and configure the Play Store environment so apps can run. If you're on a Chromebook, turn on Google Play in Settings and accept the terms. That integrates Play with your system and handles APKs. If you chose an emulator, install it, start the virtual device, then open the Play Store app and add the same Google account you use on your phone so purchases and app data sync. Make sure to grant storage and microphone permissions. This ensures apps behave as expected. Finish by updating and syncing so everything is current and available. Open Play Store and update Google Play services and the store itself. This fixes most compatibility issues. Then sync apps and restore purchases through your Google account settings so your apps and subscriptions appear on the laptop. If you encounter sign-in errors or installation failures, clear the Play Store cache, force stop the app, and restart. If that fails, remove and re-add your Google account. That one troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.